Social disorganization theory. Crime so- Social disorganization theory. Crime occurs in communities with crime occurs crime social disorganization theory. Crime occurs in communities with weak social institution and limited social control. Second, concentric zone theory. Crime is more concentrated in inner city zone due to poverty and social disorganization. Enemy theory. Crime results when social norms break down or there's a gap between goals and means. And strain theory. Strain theory. Pressure from the inability to achieve success. Pressure from the inability to achieve success. Pressure from the inability to achieve success through legal means leads to crime. Delicate subculture, no, relative deprivation theory. Feeling deprived compared to the others. Feeling deprived compared to the others can lead to frustration and criminal behavior. Delicate subculture theory. Delicate subculture theory. Youths form subculture with values opposing mainstream society when they fail to succeed. Differential opportunity theory. People engage in crime based on available illegal opportunities when legal ones are blocked. Social control theory. Strong social bonds prevent crime, while weak ones increase deviance. Modern labeling theory. Being labeled as a criminal can lead to self-fulfilling deviant behavior. Differential association theory. Crime is learned through interaction with others who support device deviance. Neut 11. Neutralize theory. Offenders justify crimes to neutralize guilt and maintain a positive self-image. Containment theory. Crime is controlled by internal self-control and external societal rules. Forces. Social reaction theory. Society's response to deviance can reinforce criminal behavior. Routine activities theory. Crime happens when a crime happens when a motivated offender is suitable target and no capable guardian are present. 15. Broken windows theory. Signs of disorder, graffiti, vandalism encourage further crime to maintaining order prevents it.